An immersive experience is the perception of being in one place when you are actually in another. It is essentially the suspension of reality, even if just for a few moments. यानी immersive experience आपको इस तरीके की फील करवाते हैं कि आप एक जगह बैठे हों लेकिन आपको फील हो रहा है कि आप कहीं दूर हो. लाइक आजकल वीडियो गेमिंग चल रही है, उसमें अगर आपने इमर्सिव एक्सपीरियंस एआर या वीआर टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ किया हो तो उसमें आप बैठे तो कंप्यूटर के सामने हैं लेकिन आपको फील होता है कि आप रियलिटी में वो बैटल ग्राउंड पे हैं. अगर आप बैटल रिलेटेड गेम्स खेल रहे हो या आप एनिमल्स पैराडाइज या जंगल में हो कहीं, तो आपको यूँ लगेगा आप ब्यूटी या नेचर के बीच में हैं, एनिमल्स के बीच में हैं. आपको एकदम रियलिटी फील होगी जबकि आप होते दूसरी जगह हैं और फील आप दूसरी जगह करते हैं. People always want the most immersive experience possible, especially when it comes to entertainment. Augmented reality AR adds digital element to a live view, often by using the camera on a smartphone. Examples of augmented reality experiences include Snapchat lenses and the game Pokemon Go. So, how does augmented reality work? It involves technologies like SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping. Other one, depth tracking, briefly a sensor data calculating the distance to the object, and the following components. Cameras and sensors, collecting data about users' interactions and sending it for processing. Other one, processing. AR devices eventually should act like little computers to be able to measure speed, angle, direction, orientation in space, and so on. Projection. This refers to a miniature projector on AR headsets which takes data from sensors and projects digital contents. The last one, reflection. Some AR devices have mirrors to assist human eyes to view virtual images. So, applications of AR. Most popular applications of AR is gaming. New AR games provide much better experience to players. Some even promote a more active, ongoing way of life, like Pokemon Go, Ingress, and so many other games are there. AR in retail, AR in retail may act to bring better customer engagement and retention, as well as brand awareness and more sales. Some features may also help customers make wiser purchases, providing product data with 3D models of any size or color. And other application is Snapchat lenses. The next immersive experience is virtual reality, VR. VR is use of computer technology to create a simulated environment. Unlike traditional user interfaces, VR places the user inside an experience. Instead of viewing a screen in front of them, users are immersed and able to interact with 3D worlds and objects. VR एक्सपीरियंस आपको इस तरीके का एक्सपीरियंस देता है कि आपको ऐसा फील होता है कि आप के सराउंडिंग में वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, यानी 3D एक्सपीरियंस आपको देता है. आपको एकदम रियल फील होगा सारा का सारा एनवायरनमेंट. एप्लीकेशंस क्या है VR की? ऑटोमोटिव इंडस्ट्रीज, हेल्थ केयर, रिटेल, टूरिज्म, रियल एस्टेट, आर्किटेक्चर, गैम्बलिंग, लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट. So now robotics. What is robot? Robotics develops machines that can substitute for human and replicate human actions. इस तरीके की मशीन्स डेवलप की जाती है जो ह्यूमंस को रिप्लेस करे, यानी जो काम ह्यूमन करते हैं वही अगर रोबोट करना शुरू कर दें तो एक्यूरेसी भी आएगी, एफिशिएंसी भी आएगी. Robots can be used in many situations and for lots of purposes, but today many are used in dangerous environment, including inspection of radioactive materials, bomb detection and deactivations, which a human being can't do, manufacturing processes, or where humans cannot survive, for example in space, underwater, and in high temperatures. So now the next topic is big data. Big data is also data but with a huge size or volume, and yet growing exponentially with time. In short, such data is so large and complex that none of the traditional data management tools are able to store it or process it efficiently. So benefits of big data processing are: businesses can utilize outside intelligence while taking decisions, improved customer services, early identification of risk to the product or services, if any, better operational efficiency. Characteristics of big data, you can see the picture. We will describe one by one. The first one is volume. The name big data itself is related to a size which is enormous, means the size of the data. Variety. Variety refers to heterogeneous sources and the nature of data, both structured and unstructured. During earlier days, spreadsheets and databases were the only source of data considered by most of the applications as structured big data type. But nowadays, data in the form of emails, photos, videos, monitoring devices, PDFs, audio, etc., are also being considered in the analysis applications. This variety of unstructured data poses certain issues for storage, mining, and analyzing data. The next one is value. Extract useful data. Next one is velocity, means speed of generation of data, how fast the data is generated and processed to meet the demands, determines real potential in the data. Then the other one is veracity or variability. This refers to the inconsistency which can be shown by the data at times. So this is the um, big data. Now the Internet of Things, IoT. This is the most trending thing nowadays, IoT, Internet of Things. We have learnt about Internet. We have learnt about Internet, which connects all the people. In short, we can say Internet of People. But the IoT concept was initially proposed by a member of the Radio Frequency Identification (RFID) development community in 1999, and now it has become more relevant to the practical world as the use of mobile devices, embedded devices, communication, cloud computing, and data analysis has increased. So IoT connects all things, means Internet of Things. Interconnected interconnections of things, objects, machines, for example sensors, mobile phones, electronic devices, home appliances, any existing item and interact with each other via internet. सिंपल से शब्दों में कहा जाए तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस हैं, उसमें होम अप्लायंसेस भी आ गए आपके, या आजकल कार्स भी हैं आपकी, अगर वो सारी की सारी इंटरनेट से जुड़ी हुई हैं और एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट कर पा रही है तो उसको कहेंगे हम इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स. यानी हम यहाँ बैठे हैं और बैठे बैठे एक मैसेज के थ्रू अपनी कार को स्टार्ट कर दें या अपने कार का एसी ऑन कर दें, सो दैट जब तक हम कार के पास पहुंचे कार का टेम्परेचर इवन हो जाए, हमारे अनुकूल हो जाए. अगर हम घर से निकले, ऑफिस में पहुंचे, हमें याद आया कि हम कुछ अप्लाइंसेस थे वो ऑन करके छोड़ आए हैं, लाइट्स ऑन कर दी हैं. अगर वो लाइट्स और अप्लाइंसेस इंटरनेट से जुड़े हुए हैं और हमसे कम्युनिकेट कर पाएंगे, तो हम यहाँ से उनको मैसेज कर सकते हैं और वो ऑफ हो जाएंगे. सो दिस इज IoT. Major characteristics of IoT are very large scale, heterogeneity, pervasivity, computing and communication technologies embedded in our environment. So now we will learn how does the Internet of Things works. The Internet of Things is an aggregation of internet-enabled sensors, smart devices, and software that can be manipulated by scripts, applications, and user interfaces across long distances. Applications of IoT: smart house. Suppose we are not at home and doubts start in our mind. As I told you earlier, did I turn the coffee maker off? Did I set the security alarm, etc.? With a smart home, we can quiet all of these worries with a quick glance of smartphone or tablet. We can connect the devices and appliances in our home so that we can communicate with each other and with us, and can work with the commands given over smartphone remotely. Smart cars, the driverless cars, now a prototype. अभी प्रोटोटाइप ही है, अभी कई जगह कई कंट्रीज में इसका टेस्ट हुआ है. Where taxis work based on AI and take the passengers safely and accurately to the desired destination. The other one is elderly care, यानी बुजुर्गों की हम किस तरीके से केयर कर सकते हैं. Patient surveillance can be life saving, automatically detecting when someone falls down or when they begin to experience a heart attack so that emergency care can be sent immediately. The other one is disaster warning. Sensors can collect critical information about the environment, allowing for early detection of environmental disasters like earthquakes, tsunamis, etc. Thus, it can save lives. Delivery drones. Drones being used to deliver items with the help of smart grid, geospatial data. अभी इन दिनों एक अमेरिका में अमेजोन ने डिलीवरी शुरू की है ड्रोन्स के थ्रू, क्योंकि कोविड-19 का पेंडेमिक चल रहा है, तो उन्होंने एक नया एक ट्राई किया कि ड्रोन्स के थ्रू उन्होंने अमेजन ने होम डिलीवरी की प्रोडक्ट्स की. A smart city is a framework predominantly composed of information and communication technology, ICT, to develop, deploy, and promote sustainable development practices to address growing urbanization challenges. A big part of this ICT framework is essentially an intelligent network of connected objects and machines that transmits data using wireless technology and the cloud. So these are the IoT applications. So that's all. Now the next topic is sensors. Sensors are useful and very important for the devices in order to fetch the data. The data can be real time, which includes the current temperature, pressure और humidity. देखिए, अगर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस या फिर IoT बेस्ड डिवाइसेस बनानी है, तो उन डिवाइसेस में ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. सेंसर्स उन डिवाइसेस में होना चाहिए. सेंसर्स होंगे तभी वो सेंस कर पाएंगे, चाहे वो सेंस आपका टेम्परेचर हो, प्रेशर हो या ह्यूमिडिटी से रिलेटेड हो. और जब सेंस कर पाएंगे तब वो डिवाइस जो है वो अपना कुछ टास्क कर पाएगी. List of sensors most commonly used in IoT devices: temperature sensors, pressure sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer and gyroscope sensor, IR sensor, optical sensor, gas sensor, smoke sensor. स्मोक सेंसर आप लोगों ने देखा होगा बड़े बड़े मॉल्स में या अपार्टमेंट्स में. स्मोक सेंसर्स रूफ पे इनबिल्ट होते हैं, आप सीलिंग में देख सकते हैं उनके. अगर इन केस कहीं स्टोर में आग लग जाती है, मॉल्स में आग लग जाती है, तो उनका जो धुआं आग का जो बने